So it's a lot of peppers, different ones, and look at these ones down here. I hope I can show you guys. Yeah, but you have so much different peppers, guys. I'm gonna try to see if I can show you all these peppers. You can see them here, and also on this side. These peppers are so hot. I think this one is Scotch bonnet, and you can see how much it's bearing right now. And on this side, this one is the same thing. I can see on the side, it's like so much. I am trying not to get my fingers in these peppers because I did not know peppers can be so hot, guys. And this one, oh my goodness, my husband really did a good job this year finding all these peppers. You can see all these ones, they're so big. Oh my lord. So yeah, you find some good pepper trees this year, and they're doing wonderful, guys. Look at these ones under here. This one I know we got some, and these peppers are so hot.